Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Physics Infinity. In this video, I'm going to take on a problem of a spinning disk and its magnetic induction, charged spinning disk and its magnetic induction at the center and the magnetic moment of the spinning disk. The situation is this. I have a non-conducting plate, circular plate of radius r, non-conducting say disk of radius r, and I give it a charge q, which is spread uniformly on one upper surface of the disk. So the surface charge density is q upon pi r square. Well, I give it a spin with a constant angular frequency, high spin, angular frequency omega. So once again, there would be currents, and I'm asked to find the magnetic induction at the center O of the disk and the magnetic moment of this spinning disk. Let's start. I find dq, the elemental charge on the elemental ring of radius x and x plus dx. The area of this shaded, the green shaded part is 2 pi x dx. So the charge, elemental charge on this dq will be sigma into 2 pi x dx. The current di, as usual, I multiply this dq with the linear frequency f. F is omega by 2 pi. I get di as sigma omega x dx. Now, for this ring of radius x, the magnetic induction at the center O is a dB, and dB due to this di will be mu naught. Now remember, the magnetic induction at the center of a charge ring, mu naught I by 2r. So mu naught I here is di upon 2, r here is x for the elemental. To find b, I integrate x from 0 to r. So b at O for the entire spinning disk will be mu naught by 2, mu naught by 2. I replace di from above. Very simple integration, x would cancel. I get the answer. Limits of integration x equal to 0 to r, mu naught omega sigma r by 2. Done. Let's now talk about the magnetic moment. You know, the basic formula for the magnetic moment is I times area, face area. So here, dm due to the shaded green, di face area pi x square, di I take from above, sigma omega x dx, area by x square. Well, once again, m, the integration, limits of integration, x 0 to r. So m sigma omega pi x square dx r, limits x equal to 0 to x equal to r. I get straight away simple integration x square dx sigma omega pi r to the power 4, because this is x square dx, and then there is an so this will be x cube dx. I'm sorry, this will be x cube dx. So m will be sigma omega pi x4 upon 4. I put the limits, so r4 upon 4. Well, I just take the whole area out, area of the entire disk, that is sigma into pi r square, in order to get q. So that will give me q, and the rest is omega r square by 4. So q omega r square by 4. This is for the magnetic moment. I give the final results. So magnetic induction at O is mu naught omega sigma r by 2, and the magnetic dipole moment small m is q omega r square by 4. So this is the result for the problem, and mind you, I'm going to use this result, especially this one, to find the magnetic moment of a uniform volume charged non-conducting sphere. And in that video, that is going to be the next one, that will be MEC5, where I'm going also to introduce to you the concept of gyromagnetic
If you
ratio.
love the video and want me to make more useful videos for you, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated.